Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For the new subbies, I'm Ranjani. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this look. So this look is to kick off the fall season and just to play around with the fall colors and to give you that fall vibes. So I wanted to do this look and I was waiting for this to do, and finally the time has come and I tried this look and I absolutely love the fall colors. So I took an Optical Illusion primer from Smashbox and I primed my face already, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna apply a foundation. So the foundation I have taken today is which is not my usual foundation. I thought of trying a new one, so it is new to a market and that is from Tilbury. So I thought of trying that foundation. I've taken Airbrush Flawless foundation from Tilbury and it's in the shade 6. That is a warm shade, and so I'm taking a couple of pumps. I'm gonna apply it all over my face. So to apply it, I'm taking the brush and I'm gonna apply it in the dot. I think it's kind of light for me. I bought it online, so I was not certain about the shade. Fine, let me try and see how does it look. And it's actually a sample. This foundation has quite a hype, so I thought I should try it and let me see what does it actually have. It actually smells like a fruit, and I've taken a damp beauty blender and I'm gonna blend it. So we have finished applying the foundation. Speaking about the foundation, I'm not impressed with the formula. It claims to be like a airbrushed finish, but I don't think it delivered that. Maybe because of the technique or something, but I'm not sure. I should try with the brush actually, but today I used just a blender and I'm not satisfied with it. So but I have to wait to see how does it feel on the skin throughout the day. So let's move on to the eyebrow part. As usual, I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade and I'm gonna use the same ABS brush, and I'm gonna apply it. I dip the brush with the pomade. I'm gonna outline. Alright, I'm going to apply my concealer now. To conceal, I've taken Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I'm going to outline my brows to give that cleaner look, and also it helps to cover my lid to create that clean base for my eyeshadow. And I'm taking the Luxie foundation brush to blend my concealer. So I have applied my concealer now and I'm going to set it with a setting powder. I've taken Laura Mercier setting powder today and I dipped the blender with a powder. And to contour, I have taken Cover FX palette. So I've taken Sigma brush and I'm taking the contour shade. Now I'm gonna blend it. Cool, I have finished my face now. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do my eye makeup. I have taken Per Cosmetics Festival palette, and from that palette I have picked the shade Epic, and I'm gonna use this shade as my transition shade. No fall makeup without these brown, orange and maroon colors. To fill my lid, I have taken Hidden Desert, and I'm gonna fill my lid. This color gives the depth to the eyes, so I picked this color and I'm applying it all over my lid, mainly focusing on the outer V and inner V of my eye. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna pick the shade All Night. Yes, and I'm gonna push it in the outer V of my eye. And to fill my inner corner, I'm gonna pick the shade Sunset. It is kind of a peachy, a coral color, and I'm gonna fill my inner corner with that. So after applying, I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to blend both the colors together. And I'm taking the shade Free Spirit to highlight the inner corner, the brow bone. So I have applied my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna coat my lashes with the mascara, and I've taken the Tarte Decay mascara. I'm gonna fix the lashes today, and I have taken Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. I've applied my lashes and I'm gonna skip my liner today. I'm gonna directly type my waterline. So I have taken Appeal gel liner in the shade Deep Top, and I'm going to type my waterline. Now I'm going to apply my highlighter. So I have taken Per Cosmetics highlighter palette, and from that I'm going to pick the shade Gold Rush. And I'm not going to apply any blush today. So for the lips, I have taken Huda Beauty Power Bullet lipstick, and it's in the shade Ladies Night. So this is the perfect fall color. So this is the final look, guys. This maroon color blouse, which is so perfect for the fall. Hope you liked it. If you did, please do like makes a lot of difference, so please do like all my videos. And if you have a friend who loves to play with the fall color, please do share with them. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.